G'day, it's Pete. How you going? It's good to be back in the truck after a bit of time off. I needed a break. Spent some time at home with Barb and the grandkids and whatnot. Just getting off the highway for a little bit. Anyway, the end of May is always a bit of a hard time for me each year. Back in 1988, I was an exchange student and I spent 12 months in America. Now, someone very close to me over there found himself in a pretty dark place mentally. And he could only think of one way out of that hole. So now, even after 30 years, it's a little bit hard thinking what could have been. Anyway, not to start this video off on a downer, but we're on our way back up to Boyne for our first load of the week. So I'll see you at the smelter for something a little bit happier. Alright, we're up at the smelter. I've booked us in. We're just in the queue now waiting for the call up. There must be a few trucks parked up around the corner. So June 18 this year, Barb and I celebrated 26 years of marriage. And she actually took me away for the weekend. I think that's pretty cool. Now, I'm not too big on surprises. Not that I don't like surprises. But none of my kids or family have got poker faces, so I can normally figure something out. But not this year. Barb, the kids, and a few of my mates conspired to surprise me this year. I've had a project parked up beside the house languishing for a few years now. So she spent a bit of money, got the ball rolling, and palmed it off to me. Now I've spent a bit more money on that project. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet. It's going to appear probably in the next video. But it's something for the channel, and it's something pretty cool. So when I'm not in the truck, it's a vehicle that we're going to be using to move around, check out some country towns, some swap meets, and some car shows. Oh yeah, this happened too. So I'm going to get used to flying that thing around and taking some pretty good pictures and see what we can add to the channel.